Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Justits account. Watch the video till the end. To delete your Justits account, firstly open your Justit application. The home page of Justit will appear on the screen. Click on the settings option with the little gear icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Delete Your Account option. Confirm deletion of your account by tapping on Delete Your Account once again. Remember that your account cannot be restored after it's been deleted. This is how you can delete your Justits account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.